Hi, if you want to customize your volume panels on your ULEFONE Note HP, first step, you need download and install from Play Store Volume Styles application, like this one. Then go into this application. Wait a second. And then choose some styles. For example, maybe this one, iOS. Click this, click Start. And then you need to give a permissions for this application. Turn off accessibility service, then into settings, turn on use service, confirm on the button, and now we got our iOS volume button on our ULEFONE Note HP. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.